Now let's do some more advanced magic. We want to add a new menu item. Let's go here. We want to add a new menu item to display matches and scores in our bots. So let's call it matches. Let's also add two new blocks, and the first one will be called scores. Done. And the second one, matches. Let's move them to content. Oh, not the menu block. Matches. And for matches and scores, we will use a Json plugin. The Json API plugin allows developers to add custom features to their bot. So some coding is required, and you can get help for the JSON format on help.chatfuel.com under this link. For now, I already prepared some JSON for us. Let's just use this one. Let's turn this one off because we don't want users to see any errors if there are in the JSON. Let's say and now let's also add a card which lets us go back to the menu. And the scores JSON will actually show the last scores of our team. Just change this to scores and add another text card. Let's make use of the first name again. And now whenever a user clicks on the scores, or let's call it next matches, makes more sense. And let's call this latest scores. And now whenever a user clicks on the latest scores or next matches button, a request to our server will be sent, which we define in the Json API plugin, and it will send back the content to display in the bot. Let's go to the menu, scroll to scores and matches, and let's see what we have there. Oh wow, CF Rockets versus VB Stars 23-23 on the 19th of August. We can press read more here, which will then link to your website, for example. In this case, it won't do anything because we don't actually have a website set up for our team. So let's not press that one right now, but go back and check out the matches. Oh, CF Rockets vs Denver Broncos. That's pretty soon. We've also got a match with the Sacramento Kings. So we can subscribe for a ticker and buy tickets. Facebook actually doesn't allow yet to do payments in Messenger for bots. So what you would need to do is link this button to a website like stripe.com where you can lead your user to check out. Let's head back here as well. You can check out the code used to create this card in the notes next to the videos.